Ever feel the need to turn a team conversation into a quick meeting? You can do that with Meet Now. Use Meet Now to have an instant meeting in the Conversations tab in a channel. There are two ways to start the meeting. Either go to where you type messages at the very bottom and click Meet Now, the video camera, under the box. Or, to keep the context of a specific conversation, first click Reply, then Meet Now, under where you would type your reply. Scroll down a bit to see a full video preview. There you go. Below the Meet Now button, there are options for you to set up the camera and schedule a meeting. Give the meeting a name, and then click Meet Now. Once you're in the meeting, invite people by selecting from the suggestions. Or just type a name in the box. You can also invite someone from outside your organization to the meeting, even if they're not using Teams. Just type their number in the box, or copy the join info and send it to them via email. Once they arrive in the virtual lobby as a guest, you can bring them in from there. When you need to record your meeting so everyone can watch it later, click More Options, then Start Recording. You'll get an email telling you when your video is uploaded to Microsoft Stream and ready for you to view, edit, publish, or download. To share some content from your computer, click Share in the center of your screen, and then click the screen you want to show. While you're sharing, you can give someone else in the meeting control of your screen by picking their name from the bar at the top. With Meet Now, it's simple to meet with anyone in Teams.